This is a way that I have found works for me to be able to go from crow into tripod headstand and then back into crow again. So from crow, I'll take the knees a little wider, drop the butt a little low, and bend the elbows more. That'll bring my head closer to the floor, so when I tuck my chin, the crown of the head lightly touches down, hopefully. And then I start lifting up the hips and the shoulders to bring all that in line. Take the knees to the back of the upper arms and the heels toward the butt cheeks. And you're in tripod. You're welcome to lift into headstand if you want. But to save time on this tutorial, I'm just going to go right back into crow. So once I've come out of headstand, then I take my knees higher up and a little outside of the shoulders. And then I start dropping my butt lower, lift the shoulders, and then start leaning back a little more toward the forehead. My weight going back into the hands a little more. And then when I'm ready, I lift my head and look forward. And then I can fine-tune crow again if I want.